Welcome back. High Court has come down heavily against hotels in Colva for violating pollution control norms. Court on Wednesday observed that people's life cannot be endangered for the sake of hotel owners' business. The court has directed State Pollution Control Board to take fresh samples of sewage from the hotels and file report within a week.
The High Court on Wednesday has shown its resentment on increasing pollution level in Colva area. The hotels which were put on hold by State Pollution Control Board have stated before the court that their business will be affected as many guests have booked rooms in advance. Slamming hotel statement, the High Court observed that it cannot allow the business by endangering local people's life. The High Court also observed that pollution created by the hotels may endanger health of local people. A Colva-based hotel running without consent from State Pollution Control Board approached the High Court. Hotel stated that its sewage treatment plant is functional and the pollution level has come down. The hotel pleaded before the court to direct State Pollution Control Board to grant its consent. In a reply, Advocate General contended that some hotels at Colva have installed sewage treatment plant, but they do not run it properly as it is costly. AG also contended that due to waste discharged by these hotels, groundwater gets polluted and situation is alarming. After hearing both the sides, High Court directed State Pollution Control Board to take fresh sample from hotels and file a report within a week. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Justice for armed Goikar and mining dependents tops the AAP manifesto. Party has demanded that mining should be done through the Goa Mining Development Corporation and one-time rehabilitation fund through penalties and e-auction of illegally extracted ore. While stressing on prosecution of culprits, the intergeneration equity in mining, AAP has pledged that it will not accept donations from the miners.
Mining should be done by the GMDC so that the maximum value of the ore can be captured by the government. All money from mining to go to a special Goan permanent fund. Number 2, sales proceeds from the sale of illegally extracted ore, e-auctions, should be set aside to create a one-time rehabilitation fund together with any penalties recovered.
लोकांनी ह्या लोकांक जे हे चोर आसा हांव डायरेक्टली म्हणटा जेणे लोकांक म्हणजे गोंय अक्षरशः लुटले त्या लुटारूंक आमी सपोर्ट करतले गाय जे कॉमन लोक आसा जे आपलो आवाज फुडें काडूंक सोदता ते आपल्या आपल्याचोच हेल्प घेवन आमी खंय तरी ही आम आदमी पार्टी हो मॅनिफेस्टो घेवन आमी मुखार वयतले ते आमी एकामेकांक आदार दिवन आमी हे जे स्कॅम आसा ते पूर्णपणे काबार करतले.
Various activists who have fought on the ground against this mining scourge, they are our real heroes, and Aam Aadmi Party stands by the marginal small-time operator in the mining industry. Whether it's a marginal truck owner, a marginal mining machinery owner, a small barge owner, those are the people that Aam Aadmi Party wants to help.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.